We all love collecting variations in the world of cars. This here is a factory custom metallic Lightning McQueen. We can see in the middle of your screen, he actually has a different expression from the original release, as we can see here. And I gotta say, I actually really prefer this one over the official release. Today we're going to be comparing both of them here, so I do want to apologise if there is a sort of windy sound in the background of the video. I am trying my best to get the perfect setup to become an actual proper reviewer, YouTuber sort of thing that does a little bit longer reviews, because you know, I don't care what actual people say. I just want to do stuff that, you know, makes me happy and review stuff that not many people know about, and that is this metallic Dragon Lightning McQueen here. So yeah, this is a factory custom which was revealed to us, I believe, in 2022. You could purchase this on AliExpress, eBay, the other sorts. But sometimes when you actually purchased this metallic Dragon Lightning McQueen, you would actually receive this metallic, well, this Dragon Lightning McQueen, sorry. This is, of course, a unique expression into as it is together, as we can see by the official release here by Mattel. This is the official one, and this is the one with the factory custom, which is a back door. We can see the expression difference there. But this is the one that you get sent sometimes. Sometimes you'd be lucky to be sent the metallic one. I know someone that actually, you know, bought like 6 of them, and they got received 1. So yeah, that's a bit of a strange thing, that the actual image they use is the metallic. But yeah, so here is the metallic Dragon Lightning McQueen, and he looks absolutely cool. He's got a nice smiling expression here. He looks very like happy that Meta won, but very depressed at the same time, that sort of thing. He's got that usual Japanese logo on his hood there, as we can see. He's got the 4 usual rivets. We've got the back. We got the blue eyes for Lightning McQueen. He hasn't got any signatures on the top at all. Okay, nice. On the spoiler, it is basic, just a basic spoiler. On the back, we can see, or on the side, sorry, we can see the rims with, you know, a yellow tread. We've got some oil stains again all over here. I guess this is metallic Dragon Lightning McQueen of oil stains factory custom, you could say. Got the dragon there. Looks pretty cool. Got the oil stains there. Exhaust pipes down here. We can see the insides of the diecast here. It's almost like the back wheels are wanting to fall off. Strange about that one. On the back, we got the oil stains yet again. You can see there. There's the other side. It looks like this diecast is going to fall off. I paid quite a lot of money for this one because I didn't want to take the risk of buying like so many regular Dragon McQueens. Maybe I could try pushing it back in, but risk destroying it. We've got the tail on the wing there, which I only just noticed. And of course, you know, it's children's toy car. No. This is a collectible. Copper, you know, go screw yourself. Still don't want to swear, but made in China. Children's toy car. That's how you can tell this is a factory custom. Trying to... yeah, it's a bit strange. It doesn't roll very well. Anyway, here is the metallic Dragon Lightning McQueen official from Mattel. As we can see here, MI base, made in the 80th day. And we can see the main thing difference is the expression. Really do prefer the factory custom one though. Although the suspension is a little bit crap, I guess you could say. I guess I could say that word. On the back, we can see the rear lights. Really cool. The lights are actually different because you can see the orange on the back there, and there the spoiler is slightly positioned different as well. Pretty cool. And you know, I just wanted to compare some other Dragon Lightning McQueens in this video, so I might zoom out a tiny bit if I can. There we go. So we've got this metallic Dragon Lightning McQueen here. We got the factory custom one here, which I did explain. So factory custom. We got the original Dragon Lightning McQueen with oil stains. also released in... No way. Does it say 6? No, it isn't 600 days though. Is that a 6? That is a 6. Am I reading that upside down? I am going ballistic. You guys can let me know what that day says in the comments below. That looked like a 6 to me. No, I'm sorry. I've got to look at that again. Is that 680? There's no 680 days in the year though. 68. 0. I'm baffled. I'm actually baffled. Guys, let me know in the comments below. There's a lot... I know way much about this franchise, especially the Diecasts, the Crocs. Lots of stuff about cars, but I've never seen that before. And we do have the regular Dragon Knight and McQueen. That one's made in 2014, so you know, in the Walmart exclusive line, in Asda as well. Very nice. I cannot forget to show off the, you know, Thailand variant of Dragon Knight and McQueen, which is of course a new variant for 2023. And I do have the Disney Store one here. I do also have the green Disney Store version of Dragon Knight and McQueen, which is pretty cool. And I also do have the Tomoka one and the Mini Races one. There's like, how many is there? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The Thailand one is 7. Mini Races is 8. Green one is 9. Tomoka is 10. There is also another Tomoka variation with an expression facing towards the side. If I do add an image, I will add an image. There's like so many Dragon Knight McQueens, and wow. I'm just blathering on right now because, you know, I do want to make my videos a little bit longer. You know, collectors out there that actually do like watching and want to know the facts. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification button down below, and of course, to the next video, which will be tomorrow. Peace, everybody, and of course, comment down below what you think about, you know, this metallic Dragon Knight and McQueen. Till then, peace, everybody.